Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stream on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to stream on Discord, you can start a video call or you can join a video call from your friends and then you can share your screen. Wait, I'm going to start my video call. Okay. And now the video call is being started guys, and I'm going to get the full screen. Okay, and I'm going to click on share my screen. Okay, and then I'm going to select entire screen like this, and then now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, just like this. And if you want to add the streaming, you can click on stop streaming right here. And here you can select the stream quality or the frame rate and also the resolution. And don't forget to share the stream audio so it won't be muted. And I'm going to add the share screen. Okay, and I'm just going to leave the video call. Okay guys, and that's how you can stream on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.